my dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I will present some facts about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an Indian academic, professor, philosopher and politician who served as the first Vice President of India and the second President of India. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 at Tiruthani in Tamil Nadu. His father was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and mother was Sitama. His wife was Sivakamu and he was the father of 5 daughters and 1 son. Throughout his academic life, he was awarded Scholar Boris College in Vellore, but later he moved to the Madras Christian College at the age of 17. In 1906, he had completed his master's degree in philosophy and became the professor. He was knighted in 1931 and since then till the attainment of independence he was addressed as Sir Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. But after independence he came to be known as Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. In 1936 he was named as Spalding Professor of Eastern Religions and Ethics at the University of Oxford. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly in 1946. He served as the ambassador to UNESCO and later to Moscow. In 1952, he became the first Vice President of India and in 1962 he became the second President of Independent India. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954. In 1954 he received the German Order pour le Mérite for Arts and Science and in 1961 the Peace Prize of the German Book Trade. In 1963 he also received the Order of Merit and in 1975 the Templeton Prize for promoting the notion of a universal reality of God that embraced love and wisdom for all people. An amazing fact is that he had donated the entire prize money to Oxford University. When Dr. Radhakrishnan was leaving Mysore University, the students of Mysore University took him to the station in a carriage which had been decorated with flowers. From 1931 to 1936, he was the Vice Chancellor at Andhra University and from 1939 to 1948 he was the Vice Chancellor at Banaras Hindu University and at Delhi University he was the Chancellor from 1953 to 1962. He had founded Helpage India for elderly underprivileged people. When he became the President of India, he accepted only 2500 rupees out of 10,000 rupees salary and the remaining amount was donated to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund every month. Since 1962, Teachers' Day in India is celebrated on 5th September every year to pay tribute to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on his birth anniversary. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan died on 17th April 1975.